All right, let's see how you guys did. So, as you read, the solution would have been that Kirk scared his brother to get his way and move out of the room. And in the last paragraph, it says that after a few minutes, Dad came into the room holding Kirk's hand and gave me a stern lecture about putting ideas into my brother's head. I don't know what Dad was worried about. If I could really put ideas in Kirk's head, the idea that he should move into the office would have stuck. This shows me that Kirk learned that he can be creative to get the things that he wants, even if it's not the nicest way. So, what can we, the reader, learn? Even though I don't think that this is the best lesson, I feel that I learned that sometimes we have to go to great measures to get the things that we want. So, I want to again rate how you did. Were you almost the same, somewhat different, and very different? I can't wait to read your responses later. I'm sure you are killing it.